Drivers, your Euro Truck A main will begin on the tone. Uh-oh. Hollinger catching the curb and the pipe coming out of the chicane. Going to drop from second down to fifth. We got Bruce in the 1, Peralt 2, Shoemate 3, Curry 4, Hollinger 5 now.
Hey, bro.
Bruce in the 1, Peralt 2, Shoemate 3, Curry 4, Hollinger 5. Your leader down the straightaway, he goes. Second place, Rick Roll in the 2 down the straightaway, and Chris Shoemate down the straightaway. Second and third separated by just 7/10 last time by as they work through the chicane. That's close to battle on the racetrack. Hollinger moves up to the 4, Curry down to the 5. Shoemate moves up to that 2 spot, Roll down to the 3. Battle for that 4 spot through the chicane. Looks like Hollinger might be pulling it off. Unfortunate. So that's going to have Bruce in the 1, Shoemate 2, Bolt 3, Curry in the 4. Shoemate catching the curb into the chicane. They get, Shoemate and Peralt get together. Shoemate in that 2 spot, Peralt in the 3. They work through the inner loop coming across the line. So we are 2 minutes and 45 seconds left to go. BT12, you should be in or through tech. Stay low on the straightaway, stay low on the straightaway. Do not use reverse. That was your second place car. That's going to move Rick Bald up to the 2. Shoemate down to the 3. Oh, he has some trouble through the chicane. And now we got everybody separated pretty much. Minute 50 to go, drivers. Bruce still in that top spot. Peralt 2, Shoemate 3, Curry 4. Oh, Peralt looks like he's having some troubles. It's going to allow Shoemate up to that 2 spot. Take it back to the back into the middle there. No, tough luck for Rick. That moves all up to the 3 spot as we're in that final minute. Bruce in the 1, Shoemate 2, Curry in the 3 now. .30 seconds left to go. Oh, your 2 leaders get together. As everybody is pretty much on their own lap. Now your leader, Joe Bruce, having trouble. It looks like he might be missing a wheel. Less than 10 drivers. He's got the wheels turned off cockeyed. Shoemate trying to make a run. As that is the clock. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Joe Bruce done.
Joe Bruce is going to win it.
Chris Shoemate done. Paul Free done.
And that's Joe Bruce wins it goes. 13,504. Chris Shoemate 13,508. Paul Curry in that 3 spot. 12,511. Rick Wolf in the 4. Mark Andre in the 5. So we'll get Joe, Chris, and Paul to the podium.